Okay, here in Udon, project 3. Show you what's happening. So the electricians are feeding the cables in now. Ceiling guys are in, setting the ceilings up. At the same time, I'm using the compressor for spraying the walls, which Pi's doing a fantastic job. Busy getting the bathroom ready. For finished rendering. Through the kitchen to the kitchen area, getting ready to pour the base in. Comes out 5 centimeter, so it's up 15, and then out 5, and then the block work comes up. So you got like a toe kick area. So we're just doing the reinforcement. Now you can see the line there, that's where the ceiling drops for the kitchen area. Getting that ready. Now here they're doing starting the handrail. So I'll show you what the design is like on the drone. That's the drones for what steel we're going to use and the heights. All good. Okay. So what they've done, they've locked it in here, welded it here, so that'll get rendered up, and then the same for the feet. The feet are locked in, steel ball rammed in and welded in. So this is not going anywhere now. I'll trim that up a bit more. Doing a cracking job. And then tomorrow we've got the trims to go around the windows and doors. They start that tomorrow. So anyway, I hope you liked the last video of this one, of the drone footage. So this is a two-tier ceiling. The same on this area is going to be 2-tier. So you see the 2 lines. And in the bathroom here, the ensuite, they're just finishing the render. So then they're left with the counter. Oh, yeah. Check on. Oh, สวย อันนี้ฉับนี่เอาฉับนี่ฉับโอเคครับครับผมครับโอเค So there you go. Busy day. So yeah, we've got about 3-ish weeks to get this one finished, and then I'll move based on to Conken and focus on that before the next job in Pidgeot. So anyway, one more thing here. The railing here actually slopes. There's a seating area here. I've just drawn it on here where I want. So here the railings slope, but straight across there, straight on that end. But yeah, the client wants a seating area along here. The same on that side. And again, tomorrow they're coming in to put the trims around the windows, 5 cm off and 8 cm trims by 5 cm, 6 cm. Okay guys, so I'll see you on the next one. Okay, next one, Conken. Bye for now.